Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss one of the simplest topic of the alkanes, that is the types of carbon atom in an alkane. So the carbon atom in an alkane molecules may be classified into four types. These four types are primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary. So in alkanes there are four types of carbon atom. It may be primary, it may be secondary, it may be tertiary or it may be quaternary. Now for example, in this case all type of carbon atoms are present. Now for example, here's this first carbon, it is attached to only one carbon, so the category here it is 1 degree. So any methyl group which is present in an alkane or the terminal carbon atom are called as a primary carbon atom. Why? Because they are attached to further only one carbon atom, just like this. Now this methyl group is also attached to only one carbon, so this is also primary here. Again, this carbon is attached to this carbon, only one carbon at a time. Again, this carbon attached to this one, only one carbon. This methyl group is attached to this carbon, only one carbon. So all these three are primary carbon atom. So the terminal carbon, terminal is the end carbon which is present in any alkane chain, is always a primary carbon atom. Now the carbon which is attached to here, the primary one, now this one. Now this carbon at one time is attached to three carbon atom, 1, 2 and 3. So this carbon atom is here tertiary. So primary which is attached to only one carbon atom, tertiary which is attached to at one time 1, 2 and 3 carbon atom. Similarly, now this carbon atom is attached to only two carbon atom here, this one and this one. So this one will be the secondary carbon atom. Now this central carbon atom is attached to four carbon at one time, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this carbon is 4 degree, that is quaternary carbon atom. So any alkane may contain all these type or any one or two types of carbon atom. So here this one is a primary because it is attached to one carbon atom. So all methyl group here are the primary carbon atom. And this carbon atom which at one time attached to two carbon atom is the secondary one. This carbon atom which at the same time attached to three carbon, 1, 2 and 3 is the tertiary one. And here this carbon attached to these four types. So this will be the quaternary carbon atom here. Now you all have to identify the nature of all these carbon atoms. So the first one here, it is attached to only one carbon, so it will be primary. This is attached to two carbon at same time, so secondary. This carbon attached to three carbon at one time, 1, 2 and 3, so it is tertiary. This one attached to only one carbon, primary. This attached to two carbon, secondary. And here it is 1 degree.